Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. In today's video I will be teaching you how to make baby dress with jacket. It's very easy. Okay, if this is what you're interested in, keep on watching and keep on sharing our videos. So I'm going to go right now, so go with me. I have the fabric. You can see the width of this fabric is being displayed on the screen. The width 14 inches, 14 or 15 inches, and the length 8 inches. Now I'm marking the half of the shoulder length, which is 5.5, then the armhole length 6 inches, and the bust circumference, which is 1/4 of your bust circumference. Okay, so right now I haven't done this. The next thing I'm doing right now is just connecting. Now I'm on the neckline width. The neckline width I will be marking here is 2.5 inch. Then the back neckline depth 1 inch, 2 inch. Then the front neckline depth 3 inches. So I'm going to slant by half an inch on the armhole. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and then cut, as you can see me doing, tracing the line which I've marked on the fabric. So right now I'm going to remove the back panel. Now I can reshape the front panel. So this is the front panel. You can see I'm reshaping the armhole because naturally it has to be a bit deeper. The front armhole has to be a bit deeper than that of the back. So you can see the top is ready there. So the next thing is to go ahead and work on the down part of this dress. Okay, now I have the two pieces of it. The width 35 inches while the length 15 inches. Okay, so it actually depends on who you're working with, but for this one, and this is the size or measurement I'm working with. Okay, so right now the next thing is just to go to the back piece. I'm going to slant the back piece by 2 inch. So it will be easy for the child to wear. You can see what I'm doing right there. So if you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. Okay, thank you very much. Now I'm placing the back piece to the front piece and I sew the shoulder line one after the other. Now this is what I have. The next thing is to go ahead and work on the armhole. Now I have the width of this strap to be 1 inch or 1.25 inch. So you can see I'm done sewing the two armhole. The next thing is to cut it, make a little cut so that it will be easy for me to turn inward by the time I sew. Okay, so this aspect is very important. Okay, so right now I can easily turn to the back, then I sew. Now can you see how neat it is? I mean the armhole. So the next thing is to go ahead to the neckline. So the same width of the strap 1.25 inch, then the length of the round neckline. So exactly what I did on the armhole is what I'm repeating on the neckline. Okay, now can you see the neckline? Can you see how beautiful it is? So the next thing is to go to the down part of this dress. Okay, I'm going to make little pleats across the borderline, and here is it. So having done that, the next thing is to place it on the top of the dress and sew. Can you see? So here is it. The next thing is to turn it inward out. So place it right side to right side. Then I can sew the two sides one after the other. So our dress, the down part of this dress is almost ready. I mean the inner one. So I walk to the down part and I sew. So here is it. The gown is ready. And I went ahead to attach my button at the back, okay? Can you see how beautiful and neat this dress is? I hope you like this. Thank you very much. Can you see? I want to assure you something you can make yourself, even if you are not a seamstress or a tailor. Just follow this step and go ahead and make yours. It's very easy, like I said. So the next thing right now is the phase 2 of this tutorial, which is the jacket. Now I have my 2 fabric right there. So this one is for the back piece, and I have the width to be 16 inches while the length 10.5 inch, okay? So the second piece is for the front, okay, a bit longer than the back. I have 19.5 inch for the width, then the length is the same thing, 10.5 inch. So I place it on each other. So you can see the extra space there, the little one, the extra fabric there is for the button seat. So right now I'm going to mark half of the shoulder line. Then I go ahead and mark the armhole 6 inches or 6.5 inches. Then half of the bust, and also the same thing with the down. So I go ahead and mark the neck line width, then the back neckline depth 1 inch, then the front 2.5 inch. That is the front neckline depth. So I'm slashing the shoulder slope by 0.5, okay, just to give me the natural shape. So the next thing is to make create a curve at the armhole. Now I can uncut. I want to believe that you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have, please kindly share it out and give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. So don't hesitate, keep on watching our videos and keep on sharing. Now if you have any question regarding this particular video, feel free to drop your question in the comment section, okay? Now if you are new on this channel, in order to join, if you want to be part of this great family, all you need to do is just to click on the subscribe button below and you hit on the notification bell. Please always make sure your notification bell is on, so that anytime I upload a new video you can have access to it. Thank you very much. Now I want to use this medium to appreciate my subscriber out there. Thank you for always being part of this channel. Thanks for watching, and if you are yet to watch our video, please try and make it an habit. Anytime I post a new video, please try and watch. Thank you very, very much. That's the way to support this channel anyway. So the next thing is just to make a little cut there, just to demarcate the button seat from the neckline, okay, or from the collar line. So I can now fold him the remaining part of that button seat. Can you see what I have? So the inside you have to make I also sew top stitch inside so that it will give me that flat look, as you can see it right here. So the next thing is to place the back piece to the front piece, and I sew the shoulder one after the other. So the next thing right now is to attach my collar, and the first thing I will be doing is to mark what I have there leaving the button seat alone. I won't extend it to the button seat. So that is what I have. So I'm going to times it by 2 because the fabric is on fold. So this is my collar piece. The length of this collar piece is 6 inches. Okay, so I'm marking 6 downward, then 6.5 inch upward, so that it will give me just a slant shape. Can you see it there? So I'm going to cut off this excess away, or cut it off. So because the width of this fabric is more than 6 inches, that's why I'm trying to reduce it a bit. I just want 6 inches, so that by the time I fold, I have 3 inches for the width of the collar, okay, or for the length of the collar. So you can see I'm done. The next thing is to turn it inside out, turn to the right side. Now I'm going to work on that pointed area by using a sharp object to bring it out. So after this, I will now go ahead and attach it to the collar line. So can you see? So the next thing is to close it up, pushing the excess or the unwanted material inward. Then I cover it like that and I stop stitch. Okay, yes, the next thing is to work on the armhole. This is not a sleeveless. I will be making use of sleeve. Now I have my sleeve right there, the length 4.5 inch, then the width 14 inches. So the cap height, I'm marking 2 inch for the cap height. Here is it. So the mouth sleeve, I came in by 1.5 inch. So here is it. So because it's on fold, that's why I'm slashing it to give me that 2 pieces. So right now I'm going to reshape one part of this armhole sleeve, and that one part I'm reshaping is going to be for the front armhole, while the other one is for the back armhole line. So right now I'm going to go ahead, as you can see me doing, then I attach to the armhole line. So you see what I have. So the next thing is to sew the down part of the sleeve. Please, I will want to know your comments regarding this tutorial. I'll be very happy. Just say something, let me know. Okay, thank you very much. I just want to know if you're gaining on this channel. Thank you. So I'm working on the down part of this jacket. So it's double breast button, okay. So the next thing right now is to attach my button. I'm making use of 4 buttons right there. So you can see I've attached my button and I've created my buttonhole. All is to impute the button in the buttonhole as I'm doing right here. So it's as simple as that. I want to believe that you have found this tutorial very helpful. If you have, please drop your comments and give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. So keep on watching our video, keep on sharing, and keep on liking, giving it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Till I come your way again, bye for now.